All right, y'all. So this is the Outre Quick Weave in Miss Jeanette. I have her in a 1B. Yes, girl, a 1B. I was going to step out, and then I thought, I'm going to stick to the rivers and lakes that I'm used to because I did want to wear this to work and all that good stuff. So maybe next time we'll experiment with the color. But look at these curls, girl. This is what you call curls for the girls, okay? It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps for your convenience, so your wig shouldn't be sliding nowhere, okay? She should be nice and right and sitting. And look at them edges, girl. Slick. So then I'm just popping on the wig. I'm securing the back comb, and then I'm going to secure the 2 combs in the front. I did not adjust the straps because I wanted to see how it fit without that. So it was kind of snug at first. I think I have a medium to large size head, but I was all right. I still did have to secure the sides with bobby pins just because I wanted to be sure when I pulled this up, it wasn't going nowhere. So if you don't feel it's quite secure, adjust your straps and put some bobby pins in any loose areas. And this is just kind of the back. I wanted to show you. The curls are very beautiful. These ringlets, this is giving me like wand curl, maybe a bigger barrel, a flexi rod type situation. It's just really cute. So now I'm going in with this headband that I got out of a pack that I ordered from Amazon. And I am just placing that over the line of demarcation so it doesn't look clockable. Okay, girl, you have got to wear a headband with this type of wig because that line is real noticeable. So I was scooping her to the side, seeing if I was feeling it, and I wasn't at the moment. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys half up and half down. So if you wanted to kind of go for that look, you could. You know, she's cute, she's sporty. It looks like you may be going to work out, and that wasn't the look I was going for. So I went ahead and decided to pineapple it all the way to the front of my head because I just love the way that looks on me. But if you want to do the other styles, you go for it, girl. But this is, you know, a tutorial on the pineapple. So off top, you know, you can kind of scoop it to the side, and it's giving the 80s. Again, not what we were going for. I went ahead and put on my earrings because I couldn't see the vision, girl. It wasn't giving me what it was supposed to give. So I went ahead and took it down, straightened some pieces or lengthened them so they fit in with the rest of the hair. I didn't want any stragglers in the back. And smooth the back so you make sure that the tracks are not showing. Then you go in with your thick band. I got this from the beauty supply. It is made for thicker hair. That way you make sure you grab all of it. So it'll still be a little long, and the curls kind of start to fall the more you play with them. And I didn't want all of that hanging in my face. So I kind of just started to scoop it up and bobby pin it down to create the almost bun situation. So it wasn't a full bun, but it wasn't as droopy as it initially was when I put it up. So just play with it with your hands, finagle it to how you like, pop bobby pins in the places you want. Okay, y'all, so we are back. Whoo, girl. We beat our face, so let's see what she's giving us. So, of course, you can just tidy up some loose curls with some bobby pins, and you should be good to go. Okay, okay. So if you don't want it hanging all in your face or to the side, and you want more of a bun type of situation, then again, just utilize your bobby pins and maneuver it the way that you see fit. The hair is really, really soft. I do want to say that. I thought this was going to be more of a yucky texture, like it looks like it can be, you know, your natural hair, but it wasn't super coarse. And I was thoroughly, pleasantly surprised because, yeah, y'all, this hair is super duper soft. Curls feel like butter through the hands, okay? Now the curls do come, as you saw, super tight, which I don't mind because if I'm going to wear this wig for a while, do this style, I want the curls. But as you also can see, the more you maneuver it, the more the curls start to droop. So just be aware of that. It'll still look nice. You can still fix it and bobby pin it and do all of that good stuff, but it maybe won't be as springy as when you first took it out the pack. So just look out for that, girl. This is a 1B. It's blending super well with my natural hair. My natural hair is a 1B. I do have my edges laid, and the rest of my hair is in a wig cap, as you saw, in twists. So you can feel free to do the same. If you want to pull some of your edges out, you can, but if not, you can still kind of get away with the headband and the wig and no edges. So I think it would still look nice. You just have to decide kind of how you want to wear it. Super light. This hair does not feel heavy at all. Even with me putting it on the tippy top of my head in this pineapple, it's still, I feel nothing. Like, it feels like my regular head. The most I feel is the headband, to be honest with y'all. So this is super duper great if you don't like a lot of heavy hair all on you. Airy, flowy, fresh. Now, Miss Ma'am on the stock card did have the wig kind of to the side. It looks like she took some hair out. I don't foresee me doing that. But if you want to try it, you go for it, girl. I feel like I could do it with the headband and it would look cute, but I would still kind of have my edges out like this. So this wouldn't be a wig that I would have a bunch of leave out on because it's not going to match. And the way that you really finesse these half wigs and make them work the best for you is to see if they will match your natural hair. If not, then you have to do something like laying your edges, putting on a headband, kind of concealing it so it looks nice, but it doesn't look like that line of demarcation where you can be like, girl, that's not your texture. That ain't your texture. You don't want nobody clocking you all up in your head. So use the leaving hair out at your discretion. I didn't tell you to do that. You do that if you feel like that's what you need to do. Now, I will say this does feel a little elegant for me to have on a t-shirt and all of that, but I still think it's super duper cute, okay? So, you know, if you think this is too much in this style, then maybe try it down, try the half up, half down, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, I like the extraness of the hair because I like my hair in an updo. I think it does wonders for my face. I think it does wonders if I do my makeup really pretty. And I just love a whole bunch of hair on the top of my head. So I think it looks super great. You have to make sure that this thick headband is covering any of the trackage in the back. But other than that, you should be good, girl. I got these headbands, a whole pack of these off of Amazon. I saw the Hearts and Cake 90 have these. She actually did this exact look. So she had this wig, she put it up like this, and she had these headbands. And I said, girl, this is just what I've been looking for. So shout out to her. I definitely got the inspiration from her. I love this wig. The possibilities are endless, y'all. So there's really not too much more to say about this wigiana. Other than I love her, I give her a 10 out of 10. I would recommend you definitely buy. The curls are popping. The texture is phenomenal. It's going to get bigger as it gets older, but I don't foresee that being a problem. You can still put it up. It will still look nice. There is a lot of versatility. You just have to check to see if you want to have your hair out or if you want to use a headband. Super affordable. I got this off of Amazon. I'll try to link it below. But I want to say Miss Mama's was not very more than $22. That's a steal. Okay, super easy to do. Once you kind of have your hair situated, popping this on was like this. Ain't no lace to lay, ain't no tears to cry, okay? Trying to put on this wig. All right, y'all, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps your girl out a lot. Make sure you are subscribed to the Trice Tribe. If this is your first time checking me out and you did enjoy, you might as well, girl. You're gonna be back. We have chats, we get beat, we do hair, we do wigs. We do a lot over here. Ask your neighbor. But thank you so much for stopping in. It never goes unnoticed or unappreciated. And to the returning members of my tribe, otherwise known as my gang. Thank you so much for coming back the way that you do. Y'all, it means a lot to me. So thank you. I see you back. Follow me on all of my socials. Everything is andthatisTrice. Instagram, TikTok, and the Twitters for you girls. And yeah, I believe that's it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Would you try this wig? Do you like this wig? Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's perfect for you? Let your girl know. Okay, I plan on doing more of these. I'm really getting into half wigs, y'all. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.